Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi S4 grille. Start by gathering Torx bits, trim tool, ratchet, and the replacement grille. Remove the front bumper cover carefully while supporting it on foam or towels. Keep screws and clips organized in labeled containers. Inspect mounting tabs and clean latch areas of dirt and debris. Test fit the new grille before final fasteners are tightened to ensure proper alignment. Begin by removing fasteners from the lower belly pan and wheel arches to expose bumper retainers. Use a trim tool to gently pry out plastic clips and avoid breakage. With a helper, lift and support the bumper while you release top locking clips along the grille opening. Disconnect any fog light or sensor connectors before fully removing the bumper. Place the bumper on a soft surface to prevent scratches while you work on the grille replacement. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long garage sessions with a leak-proof spout and easy carry handle, ideal for hands-on work under the hood. I find it perfect when I'm wrenching on an Audi S4 to stay focused and refreshed. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the bumper off, remove screws and unclasp locking tabs holding the factory grille in place. Carefully separate the emblem and any sensors, noting plug locations and connector orientation. Position the replacement grille and engage all tabs before reinstalling screws loosely. Once aligned, torque fasteners evenly to manufacturer feel without over-tightening. Reconnect sensors and test them, then reattach the bumper using the reverse removal steps, confirming all clips and fasteners are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.